Hi guys, so today I would like to teach you guys on how to use Excel and make a pie chart. Let's get started. So this is the scenario where Alisa, a new teacher, wants to generate a pie chart based on data that she had received from her supervisor. She needs to make a report and deliver the data analysis at a meeting soon. The report requires both a column and calculation to determine the highest and lowest marks of students and average marks that students obtain on their final examination for additional mathematics subject. She also needs to make a chart of percentage for students that pass and fail the subject. Alisa has zero knowledge of Excel and never got the opportunity to learn about it before this. So we need to guide her to complete her task based on the following data. Okay, first you have to launch Microsoft Excel and then click File, New and Blank Workbook. After you open it, double click cell A1, then type student's name and click cell B1 and type marks. You can adjust the size of the column by dragging A. And you can fill up the data, which is student's name and marks. You can select data cell A1 until cell B11 and click on the center alignment to make it centered. To make a table, select all the data from cell A1 until cell B11 and click on the tab Home, click Fonts, Borders and all borders. To calculate highest marks, lowest marks and average, you need to add a table, which is add 3 other rows and 2 columns to determine the highest marks, lowest marks and average marks. Don't forget to add the border. To determine the highest marks, you can simply do it by double-click cell B13 and type equals to max and select B2 until B11. Same goes to where you want to determine the lowest marks. You can double click cell B14 and type equals to min and select cell B2 until B11. And now, to calculate the average, you can double-click cell B15 and type equals to average and select cell B2 until cell B11. You can add another 11 rows and 1 column to make a table and show the status of students, whether they pass or fail the exam. Don't forget to add border to the table. To determine the status for Abu, you can double click cell 2 and type equals to if. For logical test, you can select B2, more than or equals to 40, and value if true is pass, and value if false is fail. To determine the status for all students, you can drag the end of cell 2 until cell 11. And now you can have the status for all students. Add 3 rows and 2 columns to determine the total number of students that pass and fill the exam, and don't forget to add the border to the table. To calculate the total number of students that pass, type it equals to count if and select C2 until C11. The criteria is pass. And then to calculate the total number of students that fail, type equals to count if and select C2 until C11 and use criteria which is fail. To create a pie chart, you can select all the data from cell A18 to cell B19, then click on the tab, insert, and then click chart and select pie or donut charts. And then you can select 2D pie. To make a pie chart for percentages, you can click chart styles and choose style number 3. You can also change the chart title by clicking the chart title and type any title that you want. Now, this is what your interface will be. You can save your work by click File, Save As, and then choose this PC and go to Documents and save your file's name. Don't forget to click Save. Thank you for watching.